Oh, yes. So, welcome to my channel. So, I'm happy to conduct this quiz. Till now, 7 members are there. I hope a few members will join. So, this quiz is regarding first three chapters. So, am I audible to you? Is my voice audible to you? No. Okay, okay. Try again later. Yes, I think so. Is it visible to you all? Yes. Yeah. Okay. I think, are you able to see the screen? Yes. Okay. So now, welcome to the online quiz. So as of you know that this is multiple choice questions from heat, acids, bases, and salts, and refraction of light at plane surfaces. And you all know the rules also that you have to enter your answers in the following format. So your question number, answer, name, and school name. I think you are all aware of this. Now let's start the first question. So heat flows from dash body to dash body. Heat flows from dash body to dash body. So your options. I think so. Okay, thank you. As my voice is audible. Just a moment. I'm checking this. Okay, 1 minute. So just a minute. I'm seeing the connectivity. So I'm seeing that. 1 minute. I'm so sir. Okay. Yeah, I got now. Yes. So this is the question. Heat flows from dash body to dash body, and the options are from option A, hot, cold, option B, cold, hot, option C, hot, hot, and option D, cold, cold. So what is the correct answer here? Whether heat flows from dash body to dash body. So is it hot body to cold body, or cold body to hot body, or hot body to hot body, or cold body to cold body? So which is the correct option for this? So I think still it will be some network issues. It may be of late, I think so. So I'm rectifying this. I'm seeing for that. Okay, I think maybe you heard my. Am I audible to you all? So I didn't get any answer from you. So I need to check whether this is working correct or not. Yeah, yes. Now I'm getting this. So heat flows from dash body to dash body. Is it option A, hot hot body to cold body, or cold body to hot body, or hot body to hot body, or cold body to cold body? Yes, I got answers from Ravindra, hot body to hot body, even Rihan, Lakshmi, Sai Lakshmi. Yes, okay, yeah, I got the answers. Now it's time to reveal the answer. Yes, Neha, Rahman, yes, yes, it's hot body to cold body. So option A is correct. Very good. Keep it up. So because heat always flows from hot body to cold body only. Now coming to the next question, that is dash is measure of thermal equilibrium. Dash is measure of thermal equilibrium? And your options are A. Temperature, B. Kinetic energy, C. Heat, and D. None of the above. Which is the measure of thermal equilibrium? So for the previous questions, your answer is correct. And now this is the second question. Dash is measure of thermal equilibrium. Is it option A, temperature, option B, kinetic energy, option C, heat, and option D, none of the above? Yes. So due to some poor network, I got delay. Maybe it's of some network issues. Yes, now I think it is already clear. So now you can answer it properly. Yes, it's dash is measure of thermal equilibrium. So I have to wait for this so that I can be able to give you the correct answers. Yes, dash is a measure of thermal equilibrium. Yes, the answer for the second question is option A by Lamis. And then I'm waiting for the second question. Answers option A, option B, option C, option D. Option A is temperature, option B is kinetic energy, option C is heat, and option D is none of the above. So now I'm waiting. Let's see how many of you will give the correct answer. Yes, I got answer. One more answer from Sai Lakshmi. It's temperature. Very good. Yes, Amrita. I got the first answer from Lamis, second from Sai Lakshmi, and third from Amruta. Yes, Aisha, Uday Kiran, Rihan, Sneha. Yes, I'm revealing the answer. It's A is the correct answer. So A is correct. So temperature is measure of thermal equilibrium. It is not kinetic energy, it is not heat. So temperature is the correct answer because it is a measure of thermal equilibrium. Now coming to the third question, that's the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius is called. So the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius. So what we call this? Is it A, specific heat, B, latent heat of fusion, C, calorie, and D, latent heat of vaporization? So the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree centigrade. So what we call this? Is it specific heat, latent heat of fusion, calorie, latent heat of vaporization? So what is the correct option here? So you have to think about this. The amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree centigrade. Yes, I got answers for the second question from most of you answered it correct only. So I'm waiting for the third one. So whenever you are typing it, just click on like button please. And then you just send this link to your friends so that they can also participate in this and inform them so that they can also participate in this. The amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree centigrade. Is it specific heat, latent heat of fusion, calorie, latent heat of vaporization? So now I'm getting the answers for this third question, I think so, at the end. Yes, for the third one, option calorie is correct answer. This was given by Amruta. Yes, yes, I got answers from Sai Lakshmi, Lakshmi, only three members. Yes, Reddy Bhavana, Rihan, Alim Khan, Aisha. You just please share this link in your groups so that they can also participate. Yes, Jyotika, Devika, Sharon. Yes, your option is correct. So option C is right, ma. C is correct. Congratulations, those who answered it correctly. Now coming to the next question. So dash is used in thermometers. So it's A, mercury, B, water, C, kerosene, and D, none of the above. So definitely you will answer this. So dash is used in thermometer. Is it mercury, water, kerosene, and none of the above? So which is used in thermometer? So is it mercury or water or kerosene or none of the above? Thermometer. See, thermometer is used to measure the temperature also, not only also temperature only. So is it the we use mercury or we use water or kerosene or none of the above? So definitely you will answer it. I hope you will all type the correct answers. Yes, few more members joined. So welcome to all once again. So I want a few more members to join in this. Yes. So now I'm waiting for this answer. Yes, dash is used in thermometer. Is it mercury, water, kerosene, none of the above? Yes, lot of member answered correct. I think no one answered wrong till now. So nearly 19 members are participated. So all are typing it correct only. Very good. So now the answer for the fourth one. I'm waiting for the fourth answer. Dash is used in thermometer. Is it mercury, water, kerosene, none of the above? So definitely I will get the answer. Yes, Jyotika, Rihan, Sharon. Yes, now I'm revealing the answer. It's A, mercury. Mercury is the right answer. Yes, I'm getting a lot of answers. All answers are correct. Very good, because mercury is the one which is used in the thermometer. Yes, your option mercury is correct. Congratulations once again. Now coming to the fifth question, temperature in Kelvin is equal to. So what is the formula to find the temperature in Kelvin? Is it 273 minus degree centigrade or 273 plus degree centigrade or 273 into degree centigrade or 273 by degree centigrade? So maybe you can easily guess the correct answer, I think so. So temperature in Kelvin. So very good. Those who are answering it correctly. I'm happy till now 4 questions completed. All the 4 questions, 4 answers given by you are correct only. Congratulations for all those who are answering it correctly. Now, temperature in Kelvin. So, whenever they will give you in Kelvin, what you have to do to convert into degree centigrade? Yes, yeah, but the options are only mercury, water, kerosene, and none of the above, so that it will miss. Instead of alcohol, also mercury is the one which we can use it perfectly because it is a solid which can be expanding, means that expansion is very more when compared to other all this alcohol, water, and all these things. So it will be, means even with our body temperature also, for that our body temperature also it shows expansion. Okay, now this is that temperature in Kelvin. I'm waiting for the answers. So what is that? Is it 273 minus degree centigrade, 273 plus degree centigrade, 273 into degree centigrade, 273 by degree centigrade? So what is the correct option here? So is it option A, option B, option C, or option D? So what is your correct answer? So I didn't get answers till now. Yes, I got from Jyotika, Sushmita, Charan, Aisha, Lamiz, Rihan. Yes, your guess is right. It's option B. Very good. Option B is correct. It's 273 plus degree centigrade. Okay, yes, all are typing the correct answers. Very good. Now, coming to the next question, that is dash is a quantity that denotes which body is hotter and which body is colder. So, which quantity denotes whether the body is hotter or body is colder? Is it heat? Is it temperature? Is it kinetic energy? Or is it specific heat? So which quantity denotes? Means is it heat denotes or temperature denotes or kinetic energy denotes or specific heat denotes? So which is the quantity that denotes that the body is hotter or the body is colder? So just think it. If you think, then definitely you will answer it. Is it heat or temperature or kinetic energy or specific heat? So which is the correct answer? Sorry for this. Just I'm checking whether it is working or not. Yes, it's working perfectly. So dash is a quantity that denotes which body is hotter and which body is colder. So is it heat, temperature, kinetic energy, specific heat? So I'm not getting likes. Please click on like button also. Very good. I'm getting answers perfectly. Each and everyone are typing the answers correctly. Very good. New members are also joining. I'm happy. I want few more members to participate in this. It gives for me some more interest to conduct this quiz. Yes, answer for the sixth. I'm not getting any answers. Quantity that denotes which body is hotter and which body is cooler. Yes, I got answer from Sai Lakshmi. Yes. Yes, Rihan, Jyotika, Aisha, very good, very good. Yes, now the answer is yes, it is correct. Temperature only. So, temperature is a quantity that denotes which body is hotter and which body is colder. Because the definition of temperature only gives us it is a degree of hotness or coldness. Yes, definitely your answer is correct. It's temperature only. Now, coming to the next one, specific heat of ice. So what is the value of specific heat? Is it 0 0.9 or 1 or 0.5 or 0.115? So what is the value of specific heat in calorie per gram degree Celsius? Is it 0 0.9? Is it 1? Is it 0.5? Is it 0.115? So what is your answer? So specific heat, you already know that the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of unit mass of a substance by 1 degree rise in temperature is specific heat, and the specific heat of ice is it 0.9, 1, 0.5, 0.115? Yes, answer for the seventh one. So 21 members participated. Very good. Still, I want more members. If you refer, definitely they can join. I'm happy that you are participating. So this the specific heat of ice. So this is the sixth one. Sixth one, it is B is correct. Now it's seventh one. What is the answer for the seventh one? Specific heat of ice. Is it 0.9, 1, 0.5, 0.115? So I'm waiting for your answers. So maybe it takes some delay due to that live streaming. It takes some time. No problem. So specific heat of ice. Is it 0.9, 1, 0.5, 0.115? So I'm not getting any answers here for the seventh one. Yes, I got from Jyotika. Then who is the second? Yes, Arjun, Alim, Uday, Rihan, Lamiz, Charan. Yes, definitely your option C is correct. Very good. It's zero point 0.5 calorie per gram degree Celsius, ma. Very good. Congratulations to all those who answered it correctly. Now coming to the next question, that is specific heat of solid. So that means you have the formula SL is equal to. So specific heat of solid in experiment also you have this. Is it Q by M delta T or M1 SC plus M2 minus M1 into SW T3 minus T1 by M3 minus M2 into T2 minus T3, or M1 SC plus M2 minus M1 into SW T3 minus T1 into M3 minus M2 into T3 minus T1, or M1 SW plus M2 minus M1 into SC into T3 minus T1 into M2 minus M1 into T2 minus T3. So which is the correct option to find the specific heat of solid? So is it option A, option B, option C, or option D? Which is voice problem? Okay, maybe it's of some technical issue, I think so. Issues, don't worry. Okay, okay, I will rectify it. Yes, so which is the correct option? Is it option A, option B, option C, or option D? Specific heat of a solid. So there is an experiment to find the specific heat of a solid experimentally. So SL is equal to, is it option A, option B, option C, or option D? So which is the correct option for the eighth question? I didn't get answers till now. Yes, I got from Alim Khan, Jyotika, Aisha. Yes, please check it out once. It's specific heat of a solid. It's an experiment. So that's why I have changed those options. So now the it's time to reveal the answer. Yes, few members typed it wrong. Yes, that the answer is option B. Yes, I think Rihan, Amruta typed correct. Very good. And even Shushmita also typed it correct. So it is B, ma, because it is a solid, specific heat of a solid. We need to find the formula for it is an experiment. So M1 SC plus M2 minus M1 into SW into T3 minus T1 by M3 minus M2 into T2 minus T3. Now coming to the next question, the substance which highest specific heat, the substance with highest specific heat. So silver, water, gold, aluminium. Among the four, which substance has the highest specific heat? Is it silver? Is it water? Is it gold or aluminium? Which is the correct option for the ninth question? Silver, water, gold, aluminium. So which substance has the highest specific heat? So just please pass this link to your friends so that they can also participate. Anyhow, I'm happy for that you are participating. So, so for this, B is correct, ma, for this eighth question. Now, so the specific heat, the substance with highest specific heat. So I think I'm waiting for this ninth one to enter on the screen. Substance with highest specific heat. Silver, water, coal, or aluminium. Substance with highest specific heat. So yes, waiting for the answers. Please click on link button, sorry, like button and share this link. So for the ninth one, not get any yes. I got from Jyotika, Alim, Aisha. Yes, this is a correct answer. That's Reddy Bhavana, Lakshmi, Devika, Amruta, Charan. Very good. So option B is correct only. Congratulations, those who answered it correct. Now coming to the next question, the state where it neither receives nor gives out heat energy. So the state where it neither receives nor gives out heat energy. Where means heat neither receives nor gives. That state, what we call it? Is it temperature? Is it thermal equilibrium? Is it specific heat? Or none of the above? So temperature, thermal equilibrium, specific heat, none of the above. So neither heat is received nor heat is given. So that state we call it as temperature or thermal equilibrium, specific heat, or none of the above. The state where it neither receives nor gives out heat is called, what we call this as? Is it temperature? Is it thermal equilibrium or specific heat or none of the above? The state where it neither receives nor gives out heat energy. Temperature, thermal equilibrium, specific heat, none of the above. So now the answer for the 10th one, please. Is it option A, option B, or option D? The state where it neither receives. The state where it neither receives heat nor gives out heat energy is called. Yes, I got answer from Sai Lakshmi, Jyotika, Aisha, Uday Kiran. Yes, it's time to reveal the answer. Yes, your option is correct. Very good. I think you all are very good. Correct answer is that one only. Now coming to the next question. Dash is a chemical substance which produces H plus or H3O plus ions in aqueous solutions. So is it acid, base, salt, none of the above? So dash is a chemical substance which produces H plus ions or H3O plus ions in aqueous solutions. Is it acids? Is it bases? Salt? None of the above. So yes, it's, the option is correct for the 10th one. 10th is B only. Now for the 11th one, is it acid or is it base? Is it salt or none of the above? Means the substance which produces H plus or H3O plus ions. What we call those substances as? Acids, bases, salts, or none of the above. H plus or H3O plus ions. So 11th one, option A or option B or option C or option D. When it is mixed with water, it produces H plus or H3O plus ions. The H plus ions will not produce individually, so it will be in the form of H3O plus ions. What are those substances which produce H plus or H3O plus ions? They are acids, bases, salt, none of the above. Which is the correct answer? Is it A, B, C, or D? So I think you are asking to make a quiz with voiceover. I think it is not there in this YouTube. Yes, its option is correct. A as it's so A is correct. Now coming to the next one. Reason for whitening of wall when wet lime is applied. So when wet lime is applied, so whitening of wall. So what is the reason for that? Is it CaOH twice, CaO, CaCO3, or CaSO4? CaOH twice, CaO, CaCO3, CaSO4. So whitening of wall when wet lime is applied. What is the reason for that? Actually, there should be a gas, but when this is reacted with what why we get that? What is the reason for that getting of whitening of wall? Is it calcium hydroxide or calcium oxide or calcium carbonate or calcium sulfate? Yes, I got answers for the last. I should come in 12. 12th question. Yes, 12th question is reason for whitening of wall when wet lime is applied. Is it CaOH twice, CaO, CaCO3, or CaSO4? So which is that reason for whitening of wall? CaOH twice, CaO, CaCO3, CaSO4. Reason for whitening of wall when wet lime is applied. So I'm not getting any answers. Let me check. So, so if you take the gas, it will be carbon dioxide only. So when acids reacts with metal carbonates and metal hydrogen carbonates, the gas is liberated. That is carbon dioxide. So what is that? Among the four, which is responsible for the whitening of wall? So what is this? I'm not getting any answer. Yes, I got from Charan, Aisha. Yes, it's option A. So Charan typed only 12. It's option A only, ma. Why? Because calcium hydroxide. Because when metal hydrogen carbonates and metal carbonates. So here in this situation, CaOH twice is responsible for the whitening of wall. Okay. Then coming to the next question. Many salts absorb water from the atmosphere and it is called. So what we call it as? So neutralization, hybridization, crystallization, none of the above. So salts absorb water. So what we call them as? That process is called as. Is it neutralization or hybridization, crystallization, none of the above? So what we call it as? Many salts absorb water from atmosphere. So yes, yes, CaOH twice is correct, Mahbub. Kasturi, welcome, welcome to online quiz. Yes, this answer me. For many salts absorb water from the atmosphere. So it is called neutralization or hybridization or crystallization or none of the above. So you already know this very well. I think you will be answer it correctly. Yes, very good. Many salts absorb water from the atmosphere. So what we call it as neutralization, hybridization, crystallization, none of the above. So I think now I will get the answer. Neutralization, hybridization. Yes, I got answer from Sai Lakshmi, Jyotika, Aisha, Rihan, Reddy Bhavana, Devika. Yes, it's nothing but crystallization only. Very good. That is the correct answer. So the fixed number of water molecules present in one formula unit of a salt is nothing but called as crystallization only. Now coming to the next one. Which of the following is not an acid base indicator? So among the four, which is not an acid base indicator? So you have to think it once. Methyl orange, litmus, phenolphthalein, vanilla. So which of the following is not an acid base indicator? Is it methyl orange, litmus, phenolphthalein, vanilla? So if you think it, you can definitely answer it. Is it methyl orange, litmus, phenolphthalein, vanilla? So there may be some uh, confusion also. So in the answer, you will be definitely getting that confusion. So whether it is right or wrong, methyl orange, litmus, phenolphthalein, and vanilla. So which of the following is not an acid base indicator? Which of the following is not an acid base indicator? Is it methyl orange, litmus, phenolphthalein, vanilla? Acid base indicator ma. Methyl orange, litmus, phenolphthalein, vanilla. Yes, it's vanilla, because this methyl orange, litmus, phenolphthalein, they will be showing the color, and vanilla essence is an olfactory indicator. Yes, yes, it's correct. Very good, very good. So now coming to the next one. Which of the following has lowest pH value? So which of the following has lowest pH value? The lowest pH value. Is it for tomato juice, washing soda, vinegar, baking soda? So among the four, which has the lowest pH value? Lowest pH value. It's correct only. Vanilla is the correct answer for the previous question. Now coming to this question. Lowest pH value. Don't get confused. The lowest pH value. Is it tomato juice, washing soda, vinegar, or baking soda? Which of the following has lowest pH value? You already know that the pH scale ranges from 0 to 14, less than 7, acids greater than 7, bases equal to 7, neutral. So now in this 4, which has lowest pH value? Is it for tomato juice, washing soda, vinegar, baking soda? If you know the uses of washing soda and baking soda, then you will know what are they. And remaining in 2, you can easily answer it. So which of the following is having lowest pH value? So which, no, it's Dravi Karanamu, we call it ma. So that deliquescence means Dravi Karanamu, and this is not crystallization. Maybe it's a Telugu related. I don't know exactly what it is. I will check it out. Don't worry about that. So now it's yes, already you typed tomato juice, but not, it is vinegar ma. So vinegar is correct. So because it is acetic acid is used for vinegar. So this is correct answer. Now coming to the next question. So because tomato juice having more pH than vinegar. So this. Now coming to this, vinegar is the correct answer. So not tomato juice. And then coming to the next one, that is color of pH paper in HCl acid. Color of pH paper in HCl. So color of pH paper in HCl. So is it orange? Is it red? Or is it purple or green? So for the previous question, for vinegar, pH is 2.5, whereas tomato juice is tomatoes is 4 to 4.4 ma. 4 to 4.4. So that's why vinegar is 2.5, whereas tomato is 4 to 4.4, 4.5 or something. Yes, very good. Now coming to this, if it is juice, then it will be 4.6. Okay, now coming to this color of pH paper in HCl. For color of pH paper, when it is dipped in HCl, so is it orange, red, purple, green? So, as you asked, Sai Lakshmi, that deliquescence and crystallization are both same terms. Here, this deliquescence forms as a solution, whereas crystallization it will be in solid state only, dry only. So that is the difference. Okay, they both are not same. Anyhow, thank you for asking a doubt, and I'm happy to answer this. I think I cleared your doubt. So color of pH paper in HCl. So I didn't got any answers from you. So color of pH paper in HCl. Orange, red, purple, green. So I'm not getting any answers. Yes, I got answer from Safia. Yes, it's option B, red only is correct. So congratulations. Very good. Keep it up. Yes, now coming to the next one, that is identify the pair pH values of strong acid and strong bases. See, among the four pairs of pH values, you need to find out strong acid and strong base. Both strong acid, strong base. So is it 6, comma 14, 1, comma 8, 7, comma 7, 2, comma 14? So among this pair, which is a correct pair for strong acid and strong base, indicating the strong acid and strong base. So 6 comma 14, 1 comma 18, 7 comma 7, 2 comma 14. So the correct pair, sorry, sorry, the correct pair of strong acid and strong base. So I got 15 likes now. Just please click on like button also. Welcome Sai Lakshmi. Identify the pair of pH values of strong acid and strong base. So 6 comma 14, 1 comma 8, 7 comma 7, 2 comma 14. So which is the correct pair of representing the pH values for strong acid and strong base? I'm getting exactly the correct answers from you. I'm happy for that. Yes, very good. So identify the pair of pH values of strong acid and strong base. Yes, Mahbub Basha, I'm getting your answers. Yes, I'm getting all your answers. I'm seeing your answers also. I'm seeing your answers. Very good. Keep on answering. So the pair is it 6 comma 14, 1 comma 8, 7 comma 7, 2 comma 14. Yes, I got answer from Sai Lakshmi. So that's correct answer. Now coming to the next question. Mixing concentrated acids or bases with water is a highly dash process. So exothermic, endothermic, dilution, none of the above. So the question is mixing concentrated acids or bases with water is highly dash process. So what is the process? Is it exothermic process, endothermic process, dilution process, or none of the above? So what is that process called as? Exothermic, endothermic, dilution. Yes, your options for the previous questions are correct. Now this mixing concentrated acids or bases with water is highly dash process. Is it exothermic, endothermic, or none of the above? Dilution, mixing an acid, concentrated acids and bases with water. So what we call it as? Yes, correct, ma. Very good. Concentrated acid or bases with water is highly dash process. Is it exothermic, mixing concentrated acids or bases with water is highly dash process? Which is that process? Exothermic, endothermic, dilution, none of the above. So you have to answer it very carefully. Let's see, I got answers. Yes, Jyotika answered it. Safiya, Sai Lakshmi, Rihan, Reddy Bhavana, Lakshmi, very good. Yes, it's option A only, ma. A is correct because when you add acid or base with water, it is highly heat is liberated. It is called as exothermic process, and we can call it as dilution also. But heat is liberated, so exothermic process. So that phenomenon is called dilution. We can call it as. Okay, right. Now coming to the next question. If a base dissolves in water, by what name it is better known? So definitely you will answer this. So if a base dissolves, base dissolves in water, is it neutralization, alkali, basic, or acidic? What we call it as? Base dissolves in water. Base dissolves in water. Neutralization, alkali, alkali or basic acidic. A base dissolves in dilution in water by what name it is better known as? Neutralization, alkali, basic, acidic. So yes, I got answer for the 19th question as it's alkali. Yes, very good. It's B is the correct answer. Now coming to the next question. Which of the following substances when mixed together will produce table salt? So among this, which we get when which mix it together, we will be getting table salt. Is it hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide with sodium thiosulfate and sulfur dioxide? Is chlorine and oxygen? None of the above. So which of the following substances when mixed together will produce table salt? Which of the following substances, when uh, mixed together, we will be getting table salt? Hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide, sodium thiosulfate and sulfur dioxide, chlorine and oxygen, none of the above. Among this four, which is the correct answer? Which of the following substances, when mixed with together, will produce table salt? So 10 left. So if you are interested, I will continue the next 10 questions or else I will stop here. So total 30. So if you are interested, then I will continue or else I will stop here for 20. This I need your response whether need to continue or to stop. Let me know, please. So yes, the answer is correct. Option A is correct answer for this. Yes, if you, yes, okay, very good. Now we have completed 20 questions. So 10 are there. So I will add a few more questions for that, and I will continue for tomorrow. I'll stop for now and add few more questions and continue tomorrow because it's 6:30. Yes, it's correct, ma. Sai Lakshmi. HCl plus NaOH gives rise to NaCl plus H2O. So thanks for participating. Same timing, ma.